So if this is Brother Allen, this is not a rumor. This is the living proof. Here too, there is a Brother Allen. Welcome, Brother Allen.
With Brook in, Kenny was the rabbit, and I was keeping Kenny. So it's just 3 stones stacked like that, and the top one, the smallest one. It's a trail marker. It means something. Okay.
I don't know if you can see them, but there are a couple of little worms that are, there's one coming around the right side, coming off one rock onto another, little caterpillars over there. There are 2 of them, 2 caterpillars on this rock cairn. And we're trying to figure out how did they get there.
Consensus of opinion is
Yes.
that they hatched there.
They hatched right there.
Some eggs were strewn about. They saw this edifice and decided to move in.
Oh my goodness gracious. How'd you like to live there for the rest of your life? Oh well, some places are rockier than others.
This spot has been named the Babbling Brook.